Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Ontario East Economic Development Commission's website, OntarioEast.net, is a comprehensive resource for businesses and investors interested in exploring the region. The site serves as a digital gateway showcasing the diverse opportunities available across Eastern Ontario. It provides detailed information on key sectors, including manufacturing, tourism, agriculture, and technology, highlighting the region's strengths and competitive advantages. For businesses looking to relocate or expand, the website offers valuable resources such as available properties, funding programs, and demographic data. OntarioEast.net also emphasizes the region's skilled workforce and its strategic location, with access to major markets in Canada and the United States. Furthermore, the website promotes the high quality of life in Eastern Ontario, showcasing its vibrant communities, affordable housing, and access to natural amenities. Potential investors can find detailed information on investment opportunities, including success stories and testimonials from businesses that have already chosen to invest in the region. The site is designed to be user-friendly and provides various contact points for further assistance. In essence, OntarioEast.net is a one-stop shop for anyone seeking to explore the economic potential and vibrant lifestyle that Eastern Ontario has to offer. It's an invaluable tool for businesses, investors, and individuals looking to connect with the region's thriving economy and welcoming communities. OntarioEast.net underscores the region's commitment to growth and prosperity by showcasing its resources, highlighting its advantages, and providing a platform for engagement and connection. Through clear and comprehensive information, the website paints a compelling picture of Eastern Ontario as a prime location for investment, business development, and a fulfilling lifestyle. It effectively communicates the region's unique value proposition and encourages exploration of its diverse opportunities. The website's comprehensive approach helps visitors understand the full scope of what Eastern Ontario has to offer, from its robust economic landscape to its rich cultural heritage and stunning natural environment.